Ready? Are you ready? Okay. It's mine. It's mine. Come on, it's mine. Charlie, be neighborly. Come on. Okay. Again. Mine. Okay. I'm going to get it this time. I'm going to get it this time. Okay. I think you're getting tired. And then maybe not.
Are you trying to convince him he's getting tired?
I am going to try to convince him. All right. All right. Okay, this is the end. Okay, you can't have it. Last final pull. Did you see how he's pulled? Good gracious.
He's just going to bring it right back to you.
Oh, gosh. Are you done? Nope. All right. One more time. One more time. All right. Okay, this time I get my turn. My turn. It's my turn, Charlie. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Man, he could be one of your grandkids. He doesn't understand, does he?
Oh, you're so funny. Oh, Charlie, you just keep coming back. You're a fun dog.